Welcome to the video tutorial about how to create a new road network file and update settings in the ESurvey Civil Tools software. To create a new file, open ESurvey Civil Tools application. In the File menu, select New File. Select the project type as Road Network and enter the file name. Then click on the Save button. Settings. You can set the settings for the road network project by using Settings. To update settings in Main menu, select Settings. In the Settings window that opens, you can set the settings for Project, Plan, and others. Basic Settings. Select Basic in Project Settings. To select the default drawing scale for cross-section CS or longitudinal section LS, enter the horizontal and vertical scales respectively. Enter the datum precision for the L section and cross sections. In Section Settings, enter the distance in meters for profile width and profile split at every. Enter the chainage precision, elevation precision, and gap between profiles in meters. If you want to keep default settings, click the Apply Default button. CS Layers Settings. To set the layers settings, select the CS Layers in Project Settings. In CS Layers tab that opens, enter the settings for CS layers like layer numbers, visibility, captions, text height, remarks orientation, line color, project line, line type, text width, font name, row height, font color, decimal precision, and gradient type. If you want to edit all the layer settings with the same values, you can set that directly in Bulk Layer Edit. Choose the layers with common settings by checking the respective layer checkbox or check the box Select All. Select the option and value and click Apply as shown in the figure. To set the layer order in drawing for printable layers, click the Order button and in the window that opens, set the order by selecting the layers and clicking the buttons up and down to change the order level. Click the Fonts button to set the fonts in the window that open. You may note that some fonts are shown in red color. That means the software is not able to locate the font files related to these fonts. The software will read fonts from Windows default font folder. Normally, SHX files related to CAD are not available in Windows font folder. If you want these fonts to be recognized, please select Font folder of your CAD package in Common Settings window. To keep the default settings, you can click the Apply Default button. LS Layers Settings. In the same way, you can apply settings for LS layers by selecting the respective tab. Section Display CS Settings. Select the Section Display CS option. In the Section Display tab, you can edit the section display settings for CS. In Section Header and Footer Settings, set the prefix and suffix. Select section number and print scale if you want to display it and choose the separator. In Graph, select the horizontal and vertical scale major axis and minor axis. In Hatch, choose the cutting and filling pattern, color, spacing, and angle. Section Display LS Settings. Select the Section Display LS option. In the tab that opens, you can edit the section header and footer settings by entering prefix, suffix, and check the section number and print scale box if you want to display it. Select the Graph section and set the horizontal and vertical scale, major and minor axis. If you want to display the leftmost position, check the box from leftmost. Select the 1000 operator. If you want to display values as per scale, check the checkbox. Section Captions CS Settings. Select the Section Captions CS option. Here, you can set the font, height, width, and color for CS section captions. Section Display LS Settings. Select the Section Captions LS option. Here, you can set the font, height, width, and color for LS section captions. Report Settings. Select the Reports tab. Here, you can set the project title, volume, and area report headings, printout, and unit settings. Plan Settings. Select the Plan Settings tab. Here, you can edit the plan settings, that is, layer name, visibility, color, and height. In Section Settings, you can edit the prefix, suffix, 1000 operator, and distance from the alignment. Other Settings. Select Other Settings tab to set the other LS settings like row header width, height of remark row, interior line, index line, and general settings like projection line color and leader remark wrap details. Click Save to save the settings. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn how to import data from CAD to the ESurvey Civil Tools interface.